Welcome grade 12 Precious to school year 2020 to 2021. I am Myra Rachel G. Kalipusan, your .NET Programming NC3 teacher. Once again, welcome to .NET Programming NC3 grade 12 students. Based on the curriculum guide, we are now on Lesson 9, Performing Programming in HTML5 with JavaScript and CSS3. Under Lesson 9, we have these specific learning objectives. We have Learning Objective 2, create HTML5 document using advanced techniques with JavaScript and CSS3. This learning objective will be covered for 4 weeks. Then we have Learning Objective 3, communicate with remote data source and create objects and methods using JavaScript, which will have a duration of 4 weeks. And for Learning Objective 4, we have create interactive user interface and add offline support for web application. This will be discussed for 2 weeks. For week 1 objective, we have create static pages using new features available in HTML5. You also have use CSS3, applying basic styling to the elements in an HTML5 page. For the grading system, we have written work is 20%, includes your notes for our discussion. We also have performance task, which is 60%, which includes your worksheets. Speaking of worksheets, I will be posting it after this presentation, and you are to read and do the exercises on the worksheet. You don't have to print the worksheet. You may write your answers in your notebook. When you're done answering, you now can take a picture of your answers and post it to your wall. But it should only be me and you who can see your post. I do not tolerate cheating of any form. You are expected to answer the worksheet after the class until Friday morning. By Friday afternoon, you are expected to send to me your answers. Again, answers may be sent via personal message or through wall, but only you and me can see the post. If you have clarification questions, you may PM me or post to our group. Quarterly assessment will be done online and is 20%. So let's have a quick review on HTML. So what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language and is the basic code that makes up the foundation of every website on the World Wide Web. HTML is used for marking up text and other page content and for defining how a web page is structured. HTML is used to define the page content and how it is structured, but it is not responsible for how the page actually looks like, the color, borders, and positioning of element. HTML web pages are made up of number of elements, or HTML tags. Each of these elements has a particular purpose. It might contain some text, content, a heading, an image, or some information to be used by the browser. So example of an HTML tag includes HTML, head, body, title, key, and so on. So, an element is made up of 2 tags, a start tag and an end tag. You may place some content between these tags, such as this one, that will be displayed on the web page, such as text or even more elements. Each tag starts with the less than sign and ends with a greater sign. And end tags have this forward slash. So this is how an HTML document should be structured. You have the HTML, and enclosed in it is the head and the body. The body contains the header, the footer, the content of your website.